It has suddenly turned so cold in Delhi that I did not feel like getting out of my jacket or putting on any makeup. So I've just put on some lip gloss for aesthetic purposes. Hey guys, welcome to another bonus video. If you're wondering why I'm so meherban with videos these days, it's because it's January, it's my birthday month and I'm really happy. No, not really. It's just that there's so many great things to talk to you guys about. I feel like rather than just restraining to a schedule or anything, I should just be up your alley and just show you everything that I want to show you guys. So if you guys know that I've been really enjoying skincare and hair care products like off lately. I love makeup. There's no replacement to makeup really, let's be honest here. But I have been really enjoying some good skincare and hair care. I've been really trying to take care of my skin and my hair more than I've ever in the almost 22 years of my existence. So yes, today I'm going to be talking about another great skincare and hair care company that I just found out. This is a new launch in India if I'm not wrong. This is actually a Canadian company and they've just recently launched, and if I'm not wrong again, they're exclusively available on Nykaa. And if again I'm not wrong, they're currently on a 20% off as well. But just to cross-check everything, I'll cross-check everything after I'm done with recording this video. I have all of the details listed in the bottom bar for you guys as well, so that you can go through the actual cross-checked information, because sometimes when I'm reading offers and stuff and everything like that, I can mix up two offers going on differently, different brands and everything. So yes, I don't want to do that. So I will list everything for you guys in the bottom bar, so make sure you check that out as well. Anyway, the brand that I'm going to be talking to you guys today about is Dylan. It's a SLS and paraben free brand. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I'm trying to move slightly towards natural skincare, not like completely, but at least skincare which is free of parabens and SLS and all of those bad stuff. So I'm really trying to do that. I haven't completely transitioned or anything, but yes, I am trying to transition. So I have a couple of products from their skincare and hair care range. So I'm going to be reviewing them for you guys, weighing down the pros and the cons and everything. So yes, let's go. I'm going to first start with hair care. The first thing that I have is a Dylan shampoo with avocado oil. This is what it looks like, and it also has a conditioner in the same range named the conditioner with avocado oil. And then the third thing that I have is this Organic Now shampoo. So I have two shampoos and one conditioner. That's all that I have for hair. So I'm going to start with the shampoo with avocado oil first. This retails for 549 rupees, so it's really affordable as well because it is 345 ml, which is a really good size. It has a flip top open cap, which again I really like. It is non-messy, as well as you can control the amount of product you want on your palms, which is a great thing. Now the shampoo itself has a very pastel green pistachio like color to it, and it's in a cream like a formulation. It's not a very liquidy sort of a shampoo. It's very creamy and it's very hydrating as well. This shampoo I feel is great for people who have dry scalp, because it will really nourish and moisturize your scalp as well, as it is nourished with avocado oil, which will hydrate back your scalp. If you have oily scalp, this might be a little too heavy for you, and that's where the other shampoo comes into play. I tried this out and it's really great if you have oily skin, or if you're in a tropical zone which is extremely hot throughout the year and is humid. This one is really great for that, and this retails for, let me tell you guys in a minute, 699 rupees, and it is 325 ml, and this smells exactly like green apples. This is actually clear once you take it out. The packaging is green, the product itself is clear, and again it is free of parabens, urea, as well as SLS. So coming back to this particular baby right here, so it's great if you have dry scalp, and it's great if you're currently in winters as well, because in winters our scalp tends to turn drier and really itchy and flaky. So I'm going to share a very embarrassing story of my own personal little self. So this year I was having extremely itchy scalp, nothing whatsoever seemed to stop that, and that led to a lot of dandruff production as well. Having dandruff is different, and having dandruff because you're itching your scalp is completely different, and you really need to treat your scalp for that. So I tried this one out, and it really moisturized my scalp and made the itching go down a lot. So basically our scalp is also our skin, right? So whenever our skin is dry, we tend to have itching going on, and if we put moisturizer on it, it tends to stop. But we can't put moisturizer on our scalp, and that's where shampoos like these really help, because even if you do oil your hair, when you shampoo it out, and if your scalp gets stripped of conditioners and oils and nourishment, then itching really starts. So because this is really hydrating, it actually puts back a lot of moisturization into your scalp, and again because it's in a liquid formulation, it really reaches every part of your scalp, and it's SLS and paraben free, so it's not gonna be harmful for your hair or for your scalp. So I really like this one because it just managed to bring down my itchiness so much. But again, as I said, if you live in a tropical zone or if you have like really oily scalp, this is not the best option for you guys to go for. Next, moving on to the conditioner from the same range. This is the conditioner with avocado oil. This says it's for hair and shine therapy, SLS and paraben free. Again, it's 354 ml and it retails for 549 rupees as well. The price range of these products is quite affordable. It is not extremely expensive or like extremely cheap, but it is very affordable, and the fact that they are formulated without SLS and paraben, which requires a lot of science and technology things, which I am very unaware about, is a good thing. So coming back to this conditioner, so again it's that same pastely green pistachio like color, and it's a very thick formulation. And what I felt was that once I applied it on my hair, it just like really got absorbed into my hair, like whoop, like my hair sucked it in or something of that sort, because it did not feel heavy or anything. So I currently like washed my hair with the avocado one, and I applied the avocado conditioner as well on top of it, and my hair feels really soft. It doesn't have any other external products or isn't styled at all. It feels really soft, and the fact that it did not weigh down my hair is a big thing for me. I hate lip glosses because it's going everywhere. But yes, as I was saying, it's a very big thing because I stopped using conditioners because of the same reason, because it always used to weigh down my hair. My hair always used to feel like ugh. But after using this, my hair doesn't feel weighed down, it doesn't feel oily or anything, which I really like. So that's a very big plus point for any conditioner from my own perspective. So that's again a good thing. But if you have like extremely dry ends and like dry hair, then this is not gonna supplement it that much. For that you need like extreme therapy, guys. No conditioner is gonna help you anyway. But you really need to take care of your hair if you have like extremely dry hair. But yes, for people who have normal hair or just like okayish hair, this is a really good conditioner. It won't weigh you down, it won't take off your volume or anything, which is a nice thing. You see, it hasn't taken away any volume from my hair, which I really like. So yes, we have that. And lastly, coming back to this Organic Now shampoo, as I was saying, this is great for people who live in the tropical areas or have like a really oily scalp. This really just hydrates your scalp. It doesn't overly moisturizes it, but it hydrates it. It doesn't strip it down of the oils, but still makes sure that your scalp is clean and nice, and it smells so beautiful, so fresh. It smells exactly like green apples. The avocado range smells like avocado oils and nothing too fancy, but this green apple one, I love its fragrance. It's just so good. Again, it's great for people who have oilier scalp, and it won't dry out your hair as well, but it will take care of the oiliness in your scalp and like clean it really nicely, which is a good thing. So actually I picked up the products which were meant for different body types and stuff, so that I could give you a better perspective at it. I thought it would help you guys. Then moving on to body products, the first thing I have is a body wash with avocado oil. This is from the same avocado oil range because I have dry skin. If you guys know the fact that my skin is like Sahara Desert, it's dry, it just needs all the moisturization in the world. Again, this is the pistachio green, pastel green color. It's very thick. It's like almost using a lotion or a cream, and once you try to foam it up, it actually lathers up. It doesn't have a foam like a bubbly soapy foam, but it actually lathers up and it really moisturizes your skin, which is something I require maybe 24/7 into 365 because as I said, it's dry skin people here. Again, even this smells like avocado oil, and it has a pump packaging, as you can see, so you can again control the amount of product that you want to take out, and it's all good. This is how much? This is 345 ml again, and it retails for where did the MRP go? I have no clue how much this retails for, but I will try to put it in the bottom bar. All of these are not tested on animals, which is a great thing because these are cruelty free as well. And this body wash also has a shelf life of 36 months, which is a really good time period to consume a body wash. So yes, this is a very thick formulation which is very rich, it's very lathery, it's very luxurious and moisturizing and plush and all of those things. So yes, the next product that I have for you guys is the Delon body butter with avocado oil, which again is SLS and paraben free. This is 196 grams. This is what the packaging looks like, and again I don't know the MRP. I will try to put it in the bottom bar for you guys, and yeah, this is what it looks like. The main reason avocado really attracted me was because avocado is known to be very moisturizing, and no matter how many different skin types I try to cover, I know that my personal attention is towards the dry skin type but still I do not feel that these products are extremely too heavy. They would suit to people who are like a slightly oilier skin type. I wouldn't really recommend them to extremely oily skin type, but till oily skin type, you're fine, girl. So, or boys can even watch video, boys can do makeup. It's your personal preference. So yeah, coming back to this product, so this is what the packaging looks like, and once you open it up, you have the product right there. Oh, why is it showing white? It's actually a pastely green color, pistachio-like. And this again smells like avocado oil. It again just seeps into the skin and it's like great moisturization. Again, a little back in story. When the first day that I applied it, I had like a really bad itch on my leg and I was like itching it like crazy, and my brother was like, just go and apply some lotion or whatever. I thought he said that because I must be having those white lines which they show in a lot of ads as well, like you scratch your hands and you have like white lines. Again, I have just applied this in the morning, and so it's more than like 12 hours of application of this body butter, and I'm just gonna show you. No white lines, it's still moisturized, my hand is still soft, still moisturized, which is a great thing. So that is another great thing. So this is great for people who have dry skin, normal skin, or if you're in winter and you really want to moisturize the skin, or if you want to like really pamper it with lush good ingredients. The last product that I've saved up for you guys is probably my favorite. I've saved it for the last because best for the last. So it is a Revlon Intense Moisturization Cherry Blossom Cream. This is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like from the inside. It is a white cream, and the fragrance, guys, I wish you could be with me right now and sniff this out, because I am not kidding you when I say this, but this smells exactly like Parley Poppins. And what's there to hate about that? Parley Poppins. I'm not kidding you. The day that I applied this the first time, I smelled like Parley Poppins throughout the day and throughout the night, and I love that fact. Like I could use this cream just for the fragrance. It's amazing, guys. It's like Parley Poppins. Alright, so this is 200 ml of packaging and it retails for 7.99 rupees. I think it's worth every penny. It's a very thick, dense cream again, but it goes into the skin like wazoo. I feel this is meant for all skin type, oily, dry, normal, whatever your skin type is. This would be so good for you because it's extremely hydrating, but it's not greasy or sticky. Even the avocado body butter is not greasy at all. It goes into the skin like that, and I love it. Like both of the creams go into the skin like that, but Cherry Blossom one has my heart because of the Parley Poppins fragrance and the fact that it retains throughout the day. Like my biggest disappointments have been creams which smell amazing but they don't last. It's like either you don't have any fragrance, or if you have any fragrance, please last on me. Thank you, appreciate it. But these ones actually do last on your skin, which I really like Parley Poppins, amazing. So yes, that is the last cream right there. Overall, I'm really highly impressed with this skincare line. It's really affordable as well as has good quality products, which is really nice, and it is free of a lot of bad chemicals which all of us want. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this review. These are catered for different skin types, and if you can find the product that is right for your skin type, I definitely think you should invest in them. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if there's any other sort of video which you guys would like me to do, then all you have to do is comment in the comment section down below, and I would love to do it for you guys. And yes, do not forget to follow me in all of my social media, which will be listed again in the bottom bar for you guys. So go check that bottom bar out, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Until then, take care. Mwah. Bye.